Welcome to a detailed specification comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the upcoming Galaxy S26 base models. The S26 is slightly larger and heavier, increasing to 149.6 millimeters in height and 167 grams in weight, compared to the S25's 146.9 millimeters and 162 grams. The display size also sees a bump from 6.2 inches on the S25 to 6.3 inches on the S26, both featuring Dynamic AMOLED 2X technology. They share a 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate and 2600 nits brightness. Regarding the processor, the S25 features the Snapdragon 8 Elite globally. The S26 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in Europe and the Exynos 2600 in other regions, including China. The S25 uses a 3-nanometer process with an 8-core CPU clocked at 4.47 GHz. The S26 introduces a 2-nanometer process for the Exynos chip and a 3-nanometer for the Snapdragon, both featuring 10 cores. Storage options on the S26 base model start at 256 GB, eliminating the 128 GB option found on the S25. Both models come with 12 GB of RAM. The S26 base model gets a battery upgrade, increasing to 4,300 mAh, a 300 mAh jump from the S25's 4,000 mAh. Both support 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. The camera hardware remains identical between the two models, featuring a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The S25 runs on Android 15 with One UI 7, while the S26 ships with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. Notably, both models are guaranteed 7 years of updates. The launch price for the S26 sees an increase from the S25. The S25 launched at 74,999 Indian rupees, while the S26 is expected to launch at 87,999 Indian rupees. This table summarizes the key differences: larger display and battery, a newer, smaller process for the Exynos chip, double the base storage, and a higher launch price for the S26. Key reasons to upgrade include the larger display, bigger battery, first 2-nanometer Exynos architecture, and double the base storage. The Galaxy S26 is the compact powerhouse evolved.